What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and hope you're all doing great. Welcome to this video in which we'll take a look at Solana and the Sol token again, which in all honesty has been moving around pretty weird lately. But we'll talk about it. It's going to be a little bit more of a more difficult analysis, but I'll take you through it and in the end you do know what to expect. So let's get right into it. Solana has been pretty bullish over the last, let's say 2 days. Obviously, Tuesday around this time, we actually got the lower than expected inflation rate, causing us to get up to that $14 resistance level. Found some resistance there, and then yesterday, until we got the interest rate numbers, we were pretty bullish. Then we got those interest rate numbers, and we dropped back down. So, pretty fundamentally driven bull run and rally we had. I have to say that. For Solana, the rally is actually one of the strongest I've seen, definitely under the more big cryptos. So I'm not sure if there's actually also some manipulation in this. Could be. All right. I mean, in the end, well, maybe not manipulation, but the thing is that what Solana has also done, yeah, it does look like there's at least some whale behavior, especially after that drop yesterday. You can also see a quick market cap. But the thing is that Solana actually, there is some bullish news I want to give you about Solana. The total value locked on its entire DeFi ecosystem dropped down to like 16th in the ranking of crypto project. I think it's now down, or I think it's up to 8th place again. I mean, sometimes you can actually, I'm not sure where to check that out again. DeFi chains maybe. Total value locked. Solana, the purple one, no. Solana is yeah, I cannot see that. Come on now. Yeah, Solana. Oh yeah, you can see it right there. So Solana is now 10th. It was at 9. I mean, in my opinion, Solana should be higher than Kronos, for example. I mean, in my opinion, it should even be higher than Tron, but I just don't really like Tron. But this dropped down massively, and right now we're growing again a little bit with Solana. So in general, the fundamentals around the project and around the token are better. Apart from that, they're also doing some amazing things on Twitter. So I would definitely advise you to check that out as well. They're just focusing a lot on building the ecosystem. And Solana is one of the ecosystems that's built on the most, I believe. So what that means for the price is that the fundamentals for Solana are pretty bullish. In the market, they're also pretty bullish. But right now, the main thing we have done on the short term is that we have some bearish confirmation. We dropped down below 14.5, took a break retest, and now we have dropped down to $14, which is a very important support level. I think we're going to find support there. It's pretty strong, all right? The thing is, though, is that we really need to hold this level for at least 3 days, because we need that confirmation. If we can stay on top of $14 for 3 days, I think we can get back up to 14.75 and start some sort of a consolidation between 14.75 and $14. All right, and this would be amazing for Solana because we haven't been at those high levels since the end of November. The thing I'm scared for, though, and arguably I think that's the most likely scenario, is that we are not able to hold $14 as a support for 3 days. And that we will right now take like a break retest off of 14.25, which is a very minor key level, but still drop back down. And then in the best case scenario, we'll hold $14. But I'm scared that, and I actually think it's the most likely scenario, that we will drop down to 13.85, 13.8, take a break retest, and start dropping back down to 13.6 and 13.4. Which I do think we will hold, but then we would probably just start some sort of a consolidation between 14.15 and 13.25, which is just what we have been in for the last weeks. So not necessarily that bullish. But yeah, that's my take on Solana. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care and bye.